Pruning shears are an essential piece of kit for any gardener. These hand tools are used to trim excess shoots, trim flowers, fruits, grapevines, and trim trees, shrubs, and vines. There are so many options available that it can be confusing. In this video, flat pruning shears, also called bypass pruning shears, are the most widely used and come in the largest range of models. Their cutting action is similar to scissors, where the blade is sharpened on one side and it cuts across a metal plate. These pruning shears are designed to cut live branches to make straight cuts. This tool can cut branches with a diameter of about your little finger. The sharpened tips of the blade make flat pruning shears very maneuverable among thickets and bushes, overloaded with branches. Anvil pruners have a sharp blade that presses down on a hardened steel plate. This pruner is capable of cutting large and hard stems, but the blade must be very sharp to avoid crushing and damaging the stems. Sectors work best when the blade is held at a right angle to the branch. Ratchet pruners are good if your hands do not have enough strength. The blades mostly have an anvil, and the handles have a comfortable grip. They have a mechanism that facilitates the cutting process. Thick branches are cut in a few clicks. Due to this, force is much less than when working with other pruners, and this will save your sore hands. There are models with a gear mechanism and rotating handles that will make multiple cuts much more efficient and convenient. The price of the tool varies depending on the complexity of the design and the quality of the blade. If you need a tool that will last a lifetime, then it is worth choosing a pruner with a good blade made of high-quality, hardened steel. If you do not plan to keep all your pruners in working order and your tools are often lost in the garden, choose a cheaper model that you do not mind replacing. When choosing sectors, there are several things to pay attention to. Make sure that the pruner is comfortable to hold in your hand. Some models are available in different sizes, suitable for your hands. Comfort and the size of your hand will suit you. Balance may be more important to you than weight or the total length of the sector. Handles can be metal, plastic-coated, or wooden. Comfort can also be affected by weight. Do not think that plastic handles can be less durable. Some of them are very durable. Make sure that you can hold the pruner correctly in gloves. This is important for your safety because the glove can cover the blade while you work. You should be able to easily operate it. Ideally, you can open the pruner with one hand. Some pruners open automatically when you press the handles tightly together. Some blades are coated with a non-stick compound to make cleaning easier. If possible, check the steel of the blade. The harder the steel, the longer the blade will last. If there is a possibility of replacing the blade, this is the ideal option. This will save you money in the long run. If you often forget or lose the tool, then keep in mind that brightly colored tools are easier to find. If you are worried about losing your pruner, choose a model with a clip or belt loop that you can wear while working. Some brands offer models for left-handed gardeners. When pruning, lower the safety latch. Then place the blade where you want to make the cut. Thin, fresh branches can be cut with the tip of the blade. For larger branches, move the blade deeper. Make the cut while holding the top of the branch with your other hand. Don't damage the tool or strain your arms cutting large stems. Instead, use pruning shears designed for large branches, such as long-handled pruning shears or a pruning saw. It's tempting to use pruning shears to cut cord or wire as you work, but this can damage the blade. Some models have serrations at the base for this purpose. After use, the blades should be washed with soapy water and the stain remover. There are solvents that can help remove sticky plant sap from heavily soiled blades. After cleaning, dry the blade thoroughly and lubricate the spring between the handles with oil. You can carry a small portable whetstone to sharpen the blade as you work. The whetstone works best if it is damp. You should move it along the edge of the blade in a circular motion about 3 or 4 times. Some manufacturers supply portable devices. They can sharpen knives, scissors, and pruning shears with long long handles, as well as the pruning shears you use. The sharpener is a bit like a sharpener for kitchen knives. Press the sharpener firmly against the blade while sharpening. Some sharpeners come with oil to apply after sharpening. This oil helps remove the tiny shavings that come off the surface of the blade while sharpening. If you do a lot of pruning, you should definitely choose a brand that offers replacement blades. After a lot of use, the blades of your pruning shears can shift. If you have a model that allows you to adjust the mechanism for holding the blade and retighten it, then you may want to consider buying such a small set. Do a little research. Go to the store and get acquainted with the different models of pruning shears. Time spent in the store will be well spent.